seeing some physics concepts there. But what we do here is something called as training simulations, which is for an operator to do a particular task. Let's assume he is an assembly operator. He's going to assemble a server. So we build software for him to wear a VR headset and do the assembly on virtual environment so that he'll be trained on what installation to be done. This applies for factories also, like for changing a AC unit, changing a boiler. So a lot of the equipment malfunctioning and regular operations can be done as a training simulator. So that's one vertical of our business. And top right, what you can see is called as augmented reality assistive tool. Maybe I'm not sure if you have seen such applications. This is like a real-time assistive tool where you get your instructions overflowing, which means, let's assume a simple example, car breaks down and you're opening your bonnet and you can see a lot of engines and its auxiliary systems. You do not know where to start and what to do. So this kind of assistive tool will have some recognition of what make, what model number it is, and then you will get instructions like first open this, next open close this. So these kind of instructions will start overflowing. So that is an augmented reality assistive tool which we build for again manufacturing use cases to do their maintenance activities. And the bottom right, what you can see is something called as digital twins, which we call it as technically look-alike, behave-like models. So if you have a factory, we build the twin of your factory and then interface both systems together so that you'll be able to operate your factory from the twin. You'll be able to simulate your factory from the twin. Anything can be done on the twin environment rather than disturbing the physical factories. So that is one software which we build. And the bottom left, what you can see is the asset lifecycle management tool. So which is like, let's assume a car. It has multiple life cycles, right? Like when you buy, it is fresh, and then you do annual services, you do like half-yearly services, you do replacement of few spares and all. After over a period of time, like 8 years or 10 years, you do not remember what has happened to your asset. A lot of degradations would happen. So this tool will have a life cycle of your asset, which is technically called as digital history cards, where you can see from the date of installation or date of procurement, what all has happened. Like 2010 when I procured, this was the condition, and every year this is what has been the condition. And for the future, like from now, 2024, 2025, what is going to happen for this car. So this kind of life cycle management is one tool which we have built, and we're also trying to integrate few AI advancements where you'll be able to do predictions of what is coming up in the asset for the future and all. So that's the short story about all the softwares we build, and we are basically a product company and we are building softwares for industrial lifecycle management. So this is our core business. And if you ask, are we the only company doing it? No, there are a lot of companies doing it. Like if you have heard Schneider Electric, Rockwell Automations, if you know Emerson, Honeywell's, Mitsubishi Electric, Schneider, like okay, whatever automation companies are available, all top players have